In this lesson, we will learn how to install Postman. Postman uses a freemium pricing model, and for many use cases, including this course, it is free to use. There are two ways of running Postman. In your browser, it's called Postman on the web, or if you download a standalone app that you install on your computer. There is also an old and deprecated Google Chrome extension. Don't use that one, as you will not be able to follow along with the course. I will be using the standalone app throughout this tutorial, but the browser functionality is very similar. You will find detailed installation instructions in the course notes. The first step you need to take is to go to postman.com and create an account. I highly recommend creating a Postman account, as this will make your life easier. The setup after this is relatively easy. There are just a couple of details you need to enter before you can use Postman, and at this stage I will not create a theme. To use Postman, simply go to Workspaces and select My Workspace. If you wish to use the browser, this is all you need. If you wish to install Postman, you will find an installation kit for Windows, macOS, and Linux. So if you wish to use the Postman app, the next step is simply downloading the app and installing it. When you open the app for the first time, it will look pretty similar to this one. And in order to connect the app with your account, you will have to click here on the Sign In button. Next step, we'll go to Workspaces and select My Workspace. This is essentially where we will organize the work. Postman is actively developed. By the time I finish recording, editing, and publishing this course, a new version will be released. You may notice slight differences from what you see right now in this video. However, I can assure you that the principles stay the same. I will update the videos or the course notes if there's something really important you need to know. The first thing I like to do is switch to a dark theme, which you can do from Settings. The settings are located here. And from the themes, I will select the dark theme.